Hey guys, this is Juan from Temperamento and I'm going to show you VKO1 for Android. This is the Android version of iOS and Mac OS. VKO1 aka Visual Knockout. I'm super proud of what I have accomplished. I'm not completely finished, but I have this in closed beta and you are welcome to join. Instructions in the comments. Most things are working really good. So if you don't understand anything, this is a pad-based visual instrument, and with that I mean you add things, visuals to pads. You can play them like this manually with a keyboard stuff. You can press on the keyboard like this. You can connect a MIDI controller, you can connect a game controller, you can connect a lot of things, so you can play your visuals. It's also audio reactive by default, so it listens to beat, it analyzes, it does a lot of cool things. It needs your microphone, and not this would not work. So important to understand. So, and basically you have a lot of pads, you have banks. When you start up this app you have nothing. Let me just do projects from scratch. New toot 1 like that. New session created, and you saw how you can save projects here. This is also nice on Android. We have dynamic colors, so this is the default one, and then we have wallpaper function here that it styles depending on which colors you have in your wallpaper. One of my favorite Android features actually. So this is how it looks when you start it up. Super boring, nothing here. You long tap on a pad and you have this menu here. You can create visualizer from scratch. You can import one if you have exported one earlier. We have not done that. You can create a 3D visualizer from scratch. You can add visualizers. So let's add visualizers. There are a lot of visualizers here. This one I made today. It's a port of the ones that I have on the this one I really like, but it reminds me of Boards of Canada. So this is interesting. You can say this is nice, but it can be cooler. So let's just long tap again, right click if you have a mouse, edit graph. You see I have a lot of options here, but let's ignore that for now. We go to edit graph and you come into the node editor, a super powerful environment behind the curtains. This is the shader. If you go here, edit shader code, you can edit the code. You can also not edit the code. You can add things here. So for example, this one is really cool. Input microphone. This one I like this one a lot. It's new. I don't have it for iOS version, but I'm going to add it in the future. So basically it will listen to all sounds coming from your microphone on your device. So right now output is connected to nothing. I want to connect it to, for example, complexity, like that. I just now let's go, let me see here. If I long tap there, I want to this one. Let me see. There. No, it's a bit tricky actually. Like that. I need to fix this. Like that. Now, sorry. So now, as you can see here, we can make this one bigger. We can also move it around like that. This visualizer is now reacting to my voice. And I can, for example, make it more sensitive, like that. I can also make it react, change the speed based on speed of, I don't know exactly, the speed of, yeah, you can see the speed of the shader. It's a bit chaotic, so I will disconnect that one. So, and then you can add a lot of other things. We are combiners, you have modifiers like effects, stuff like that, but let's just make this one simple. Save, and here it is, really nice. And for example, let's change the color. You can do that two ways. I have a lot of color themes in the app palette here. Let's take this one. And also a really nice feature here, if you go to here to the wheel, here to the jog wheel, you tap here and you come to this. When it says color, you can change the different built-in color themes. This one is really nice. So now it's reacting to my voice, and if I press P or if I just tap here, this is full screen. Also super important, if I connect this to a TV or projector or cast here, this is what will be output. The output is on the screen or projector minus the UI. You see this. So of course this is a visual instrument. It's not just this, it's the output that matters. And if I play, right now I only have one visualizer on one pad, so I can add lots and lots and other stuff. Let me go to Phosphor Cult and add, this one is cool, right now I have saturation master effects on. If I press M, it will toggle off all the effects. You can also press clear and it will clear everything, and not the pads and the content, but the effects running. So right now, if I press play here, it will just time duration 116 and BPM 100 right now. I can also manually tap the BPM here. This is really useful if you're DJing and you just want to auto sync beat detection. I mean, the beat detection is not magical, you know, so this is actually much faster to use this one. Also, a really nice thing here, if you are in full screen mode, you can tap here. Here you have this thing again, you can tap there. You can also use the effects at the same time. For example, if you go there and you do that, you can play around with the different effects like that. Really interesting stuff, I would say, and really I'm super happy about how it's turning out. Also, I added the shader store, so now you can install the GLSL starter pack. That's it. Join the closed beta. Cheers.